Hello, dear teacher Diana. How are you doing today? I hope this video finds you well. The purpose of this video is to give you a feedback on the last two classes that I attended. Remember, in our first classroom visit, we found that you mainly use English to guide the lesson, and Spanish was only used as a last resource or to communicate aspects that were not related specifically with the lesson content, which is a really nice and awesome, actually, aspect to highlight because we need to foster the use of English in classroom, and Spanish definitely should be a lab resource, and you use a lot of compensation strategies there, as well as the methodology used made students be in the center of the learning process. However, I pointed out that it's important to share the objective of the class and review it at the end. Then remember that we decided to focus for this last two class in these aspects: students English level, interaction pattern, sorry, and the objectives and sequence. So let's start with the first focus area: students English level. In this one, the students were able to put in practice English in a communicative task, followed by some instructions to prepare them for the English day that we planned in our PI meeting in the Peace World Festival. And you use or you adapt the idea that I gave you for the modeling, which was very nice, like to create a character and that the character presented itself in this introduction activity. Um, there you could have like maybe not only asked them to rehearse what they were going to do, but like giving them more tips on pronunciation or correcting some errors. Then the interaction patterns, it was very nice how you organized the roles they were supposed to take: logistics, painting, presentation. So it leads them to work collaboratively and also like reinforce what they are best doing at. So, for example, if somebody is well at speaking in public, then having the opportunity to do a presentation leads them in that way. Or if they are in charge of decoration, that it's also fun because they are writing the posters in English, etc. Last but not least important, objectives and sequence. Don't forget at the beginning always mentioning and writing it down in the board so they know, or they are aware what they are doing, and at the end what is the result of it. So that it. Thank you, teacher, for receiving me in your class. I'll see you for the closing, the last meeting. That is the closing meeting that we will have in 2 weeks. Bye bye.